Get Android 13 on a Google Pixel device. In most cases, you don't need to do a full reset of your data to move to Android 13, but it's recommended that you back up data before installing Android 13 on your device. Android 13 notice and downloads are available for the following Pixel devices: Pixel 4 and 4 XL, Pixel 4a and 4a, 5G, Pixel 5 and 5a, Pixel 6 and 6 Pro, Pixel 6a. This will generally get the update downloaded and installed on your device within a few hours, but you may have to wait up to a couple of days. Also, the installation process takes a bit longer this way, as the update is installed in the background while your phone is still on and applied with a later reboot. Set up a virtual device, tablet or large screen. To set up a virtual device to emulate a tablet or other large screen device, follow these steps. Install Android Studio Chipmunk, February 1, 2021 or higher. In Android Studio, click Tools SDK Manager. In the SDK Tools tab, select the latest version of Android Emulator, and click OK. This action installs the latest version if it isn't already installed. In Android Studio, click Tools Device Manager, then click Create Device in the Device Manager panel. Select a device definition with a large screen, such as the Pixel C in the tablet category or the 7.6 inches fold-in with outer display in the phone category, then click Next. Find the Android 13 system image, called Android API 33, and click Download to get it. After the download completes, select this system image and click Next. Finalize other settings for your virtual device, then click Finish. After returning to the list of virtual devices in the Device Manager, find your Android 13 virtual device and click Launch to start it. Repeat these steps to create large screen device definitions that you can use to test your app in a variety of large screen scenarios. Resizable Emulator. In addition to large screen virtual devices that you can configure for Android 13, you can try the new resizable device configuration that's included in Android Studio Chipmunk, February 1, 2021 or higher. I sincerely appreciate your attention today. And that brings us to the end. I'd like to thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you so much for your interest and attention. Give your supports. Thank you.